What's up everyone, Mystic Mike here, do another fast and furious tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on ducking. As you can hear, we currently have music playing. Here's what happens when you don't have ducking turned on. As you can see, the music once I put on compressor or ducking back on, as you can see, when I talk, it goes down. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I set up my ducking. Alright everyone, so as I was saying in the intro there, we're going to be looking at ducking. I'm going to show you on how to set it up in OBS. Ideally, it's the exact same thing as in Streamlabs. The only difference is this is over here. Just click on this. So ideally, what I want to do is I want to duck my desktop audio. As you see, I turn on desktop audio on OBS. You can hear the music playing right now, I believe. Should be able to. We're going to go here because I don't have anything selected at the moment. We're going to select... I think it's going through system. There we go. So as you can see, it is now playing through system. Now we don't have ducking turned on. I'm going to pause the music for now. What we're going to do here, we're going to open this up. We're going to create a new filter. You want to create a compressor. I call mine ducking, so I know that's what that compressor is doing. Hit OK. Now keep in mind, these are settings I use for my setup. Everyone's setup will be different, but this is what I use. You can start with this and then adjust it as you see appropriate. So what we're going to do, there is the settings I have. Ratio, I do a ratio of about 3. You're going to go in here, change that to 3. Cool. Not bad. That back up. So I do a ratio of 3. I do negative 35 here. This is after a lot of playing around, guys. Like I said, it does take some playing around to do this. 35. Bear with me for a second. Minus 35. My tack I left at 6. I got the release at about 385. I found that was the best release for me. Again, this is something you're going to want to play with. And then I leave output gain to 0. And then here you pick which device you want to duck. To cause it to duck. So every time my mic initiates, every time I talk to my mic, desktop audio will duck. So now we're good. We close this. We want to make sure that I have mic checked. So we're going to go chat mic. I'll mute it. Check test 1 2 1 2. So as you can see, I'm going into the yellow here. Now we're going to turn the music on. Red. Now as I talk, you can see it drops. Now we could probably turn that down a little bit. Ideally, we don't want it to go any more than in the red, or in to about here's where I like my sound. But as you can see, as I talk, it drops down to about minus 25 decibels. Now when I stop talking, it goes up to about minus 10. So this is basically ducking, guys. Like I said, it's fast and furious, straight to the point. I'll show you again what I use. 3, 35, 6, 385. I'll leave that up for a few seconds. But that is basically it, guys. As you can see, when ducking is turned off, the music can get significantly louder and it stays loud at my voice. Like, it doesn't matter. I can talk and it's still probably drowning me out. I go like that. When I talk, it turns down. So ducking on right now, ducking is turned off right now. Audio does no change whatsoever. And you can see it here too. I'll show you. Shut it off. See, it's staying at minus 10. No matter what I do, it stays at minus 10. I would have to physically go in and turn it down. Turn on ducking, it now ducks itself. And like I said, you can play with this a little bit. You can make the release a little bit faster if you really wanted to. All that's going to do is, as you talk, it's just going to come back a lot quicker as you stop. But like I said, for myself, I like 385. It was about the perfect side. Threshold you can change as well. You can have it turned down even more if you want it. So as I talk now, you can see it drops down to about minus 30, which, you know, some people might like. They might like to have it drop a lot lower. But that is it, guys. If you have any questions, qualms, concerns, if you want to know more information about what each one of those things do, just let me know, and I will put it in the description as well. What ratio, threshold, attack, release, output, gain, what all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those do. But what you need to know is, for now, start with this base setting. And we went minus 35. Boom, 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 and try that out. Let me know how that works. Leave a like if you liked what you seen today. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe. Have a good day. Peace and love, guys. Later.